everybody, Kat from Creative Crafts, and today we're doing a water pearl decoration. You can use it for weddings, you can use it just for the house. I'm just going to make this decoration and just show you how the water pearls work. This is my first time testing this too, so let's see exactly what happens. The first try I had let the pearls sit out too long. I had dumped them a couple of days ago and they had dust accumulating in them. So that was not a good idea. So I ended up washing the flowers very well this time and making sure there's no dust whatsoever or any kind of particle. I ended up putting water in this blue bin for from my fridge, which is filtered. So I decided let's use filtered water instead. So first what I want to do is take a cup full and, just fill it up a little bit. Just worried that the bubbles are going everywhere else. Now I'm going to take some flowers and I'm going to stick these in here. Stick one in here like this, sticking it up. And this here, and then I'm going to stick one of these little pearl things. I saw this on videos already on YouTube, how to do this. I find it a great idea. When you use these balls, please make sure that you don't let them on the floor if you have any animals. Don't let children put them in their mouth or eat them. Don't put them down the sink. They're reusable. So let's do this. Make sure it's even, and then we do the next set of flowers. I'm not making it fully up. And then I want to stick some of these pearls inside there. Make sure that you can see them. This should work. I should have made more pearls, I think. Not high enough, the balls, but it still gives you the basic idea. Put these two on top, and then put this here, and then put the last of the balls in there. So now you know I have so what you do now is you're going to take water and pour these in there, and it should actually look like there is no water pearls in there. You should see actually the flowers. Now I made it so that you can see how it looks when you put the water in. Do it gently because you don't want to pull the flowers all the way. You just keep pouring until slowly, not too fast. Can you see what's going on there? You just keep pouring until you know that it reached the top of the pearls, and that's it. That's it. You don't want to have too much water in it. But as you can see, look. It actually looks like the flowers are floating inside. The pearls are also floating inside. You can add seashells to it if it's for a bathroom. You can add anything into it. You can use any kind of glass, see-through glass container or vase. I just had this. For a wedding, I would suggest 3-cylinder looking ones all together and fill it up, different sizes, adds all different flowers. You could add, after this, you can add some, real flowers on top like this. You could do that too after you have all the flowers or pearls or whatever, everything you want inside. You can do this too. You can actually use real flowers because these water pearls are non-toxic. They're made from gelatin and they expand. That's the reason why it's dangerous to actually eat them, because of the fact that they expand. Not that they're toxic. They're not toxic. And this is all. This is it. Very easy thing to do. It takes at least 2 to 3 hours to make the balls expand. I already had the video of it. Well, I was going to make a video of it, but I needed to make a video with 3 hours worth long of watching the pearls grow. And the program I have didn't actually like the 3 videos I put on it, and it was actually really difficult to make. So I had decided, okay, let you know, it takes these pearls here at least 3 to 4 hours, I would suggest. If you want, do it overnight, or the night before you want to use it for the wedding day, if you're going to use it for a wedding. Rinse it then after you let it sit for so long. Like I said, for 2 liters of water, you need 4 tablespoons, not tablespoons, 4 teaspoons of these pearls. So I basically think for a good amount of tables, this bag itself alone, you could use for the wedding. Depends on how many cylinders you want to use or how many glass containers you want to use. They're very cheap. You can buy them some places 99 cents for this one bag. Sometimes you can buy them for 2. It all depends where you buy them. In the United States, there's so many products you can get very cheap. I had to buy mine online because I looked everywhere here in Germany and they don't sell them anymore. So, and I could have got them for a good cheap price too. But I mean, I didn't pay much. I think I paid like 2 something for the pearls, so that's also good. So, and this is it. I think it looks gorgeous. It looks great. This time it does. The first time I tried it, it was all cloudy, the water. So, like I said, before you reuse the balls, if they sit more than a day, rinse them in the strainer first, and then you can work with it. This is my quick idea, what you could do with the water pearls, nothing extravagant. If you want to make something simple or easy, you can also, stick something, porcelain inside. This is wood, I can't stick it in there. And you can do anything. You can put anything you want inside there. You can use colored balls. But the clear ones actually look more realistic that it's floating. So, and you can see how great that looks. I mean, there's a little bit of water, you can see here. If you want to get rid of those little, what do you call it, the water air pockets, you just stick a spoon or something inside it and you can get rid of all those air pockets. It's very easy. That's how you can get rid of these air pockets. Stick something long and skinny inside, stick or wooden stick, doesn't matter, and the air bubbles come up. And then when you're done, it looks awesome, I think. So don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. If there's anything you would like to know more, please the comment box below, write on your opinion or questions that you have. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do please subscribe and press that little bell on the side of the subscription button, and you will be notified of any kind of videos that I post, the very first person. So I hope you enjoyed this. There you go. And I'll see you guys the next time. Bye. Here's the one last quick tip on the end of this video. Here you see I took a normal cover from a Nutella bottle, the plastic cover. I would suggest to put maybe some a ribbon over it, but I just had this quick idea, And I stuck some of the little purple flowers to match with it on the side, and then I stuck that Nutella cover. You can use a Nutella cover on top because it's plastic and it floats. And because of the balls on top there, you can add maybe just a little bit more water so that the pearls get totally covered, or you can leave it up there. It looks just as fine. I put a candle on top, not too heavy, and then you can use it like that. Or what you could do is take the flowers out. See, it's a normal Nutella cover. Maybe I'll add some more water to it and see what happens. If it goes up or... That's too much. I don't want to put too much water. And like I said, you get a spoon. What did I do with that spoon? There you go. And go like this. Like I said, to get rid of all the bubbles, the air pockets. Just make sure you get them all out. If you can leave them in there, it still looks good. Put a ribbon over the this here. You can use some bling around the bottom of this if you want, like this, and then stick it in here. Stick your candle in the middle. Like I said, you just got to make sure that you have it in there good. Probably a little bit more bigger candle would have been better. Hold on, let me get this one. I have this one where I added some pearls to it. Let's see what happens if I put this in here. I mean, you can still just do it and then like stick it in. And there you go. Or, better yet, don't want to disturb all that, just stick the candle inside. What you could do is get a long taper candle, or even better, get one of these, a taper candle like I said, stick it all the way to the bottom. There you go. I mean, there are so many great ideas that you could use for this. I mean, I think it looks great, especially when the candle's all the way inside like that. And you see the flowers floating around. I think that looks great like that with the flowers floating around on it. And you can still add some more flowers on the bottom if you want, or don't have a candle. Like I said during the video before, at the end, right before I did this, I decided to put a little quick tip on it. What you could do as a, you know, if you want to use a candle, you can use all kinds. Like I said, you can use this as a candle holder. It's a cover for my Nutella bottle, an old one. I am using it now for my homemade Mosh Posh. And I can cover it back up. So it's, like I said, it's very easy. You can do anything. And you can also, I'm sure you can. Let me see. I have some of these glass pieces. I'm going to see if you can see those in here. Stick one inside. Oh, that looks good. I'll turn this around so you can see it. I'm going to stick some glass pieces in there. You see the glass looks like it's floating inside it. That's cool. So let me turn this around. I hope you can see it. You know, you stick some of the glass pieces inside, push them in, and you can see the glass pieces in there. So you can actually see, I mean, it's very difficult to see it, but I can see it perfect up close. I will take a picture of it and you'll get to see what I'm talking about at the end of this video. So this is just a quick tip. So now it's really, I'm going to say bye.